Good morning, everyone. I hope all are good. Now I am going to present the Python programming topics. Already we have seen two classes. Now only we seen the topic of how to see the topic of up to the simple programs we have seen. Now only we will see about the topic of working of ID and type functions and also Python basic data types. So working of ID and type function, this is another one part. This is very important. So ID function returns the identity of the object. Where is the location of the main memory? Memory location has been returned through the ID. Next one is type. For example, print of type of 5. So type of 5 means it returns the data type of the 5. Data type of the value of 5. It will return the data type of the value of 5.0. This is the integer. This is also the integer and also the float. Next one is character and then string, list, tuple, dictionary. So what is the data type of the value returned by using type of function? I will execute in a sublime text, and what will be the result we will see. So this is the first function. Go to sublime text. So this is the first program. File, new. So this is the program. So these functions will be executed by using a basic Python, core Python editors. For example, in a script mode. Take the script mode. Go to the Python IDLE. We will execute the code using Python IDLE. So this is the Python IDLE. Now we execute these functions and check the results. Print of ID of yes. So this is the ID of yes. Yes is the variable that can assign the value of triple S. So print of ID of yes means what is the memory location of the variable yes. This will be returned by using ID. So this ID function returns the identity of the object. Where is the memory location have stored of a particular value, that will be returned by using this function. Next one is type of function. For example, print of type of 5. So this is the integer data type. So what is the data type? Has to be returned by using the type of function. Which data type? 5 is the value. What is the data type of the value? 5. That will be returned by using the type of function. Okay, 5 is the integer, that is a number, whole number. Next one is print of type of 5.0. So this is the floating value, this is a point value. So this is the float return type. Data type is called as a float. Next data type is so this is the string data type. this is a spelling mistake. Print type of file. This is also the data type of string. So this is also a string data type. Next one is another one data type, that is the most feature in a Python. So list is another one data type. So the list can be declared by using the square bracket. Next one is dictionary. Tuple. This is the tuple data type. Next data type is dictionary. So this is a dictionary data type. So these are all the data types. Next one is set. How to declare the set. How to print the data type of set. A is not declared. So this is also a dictionary because of this bracket has been understood by the dictionary data type. Printer. So this is a set data type. So these are all the data types: integer, float, string, tuple, list, and also the dictionary and set. So these are all the data types are available in a Python. How to know the data type of the particular value? By using type of function. So ID function means it returns the identity of the object, but the type of function returns the data type of an object. So this is the difference between the ID and type. Next one is Python basic data types. Python basic data types. So what are all the basic data types? In all languages we have integer, character, string. So these are all the data types. Python also having the some of the basic data types, that is the number data type and then string data type. Number means that is a whole integer, and also having the floating point numbers and the complex numbers. These are all the categories under in Python number data type. String category means it is a combination of the characters. We can use a single quotes or the double quotes. Both are represented as a string. So multi-line strings can be denoted by using triple quotes. This is a triple quotes or double quote. So this is a representation of your multi-line strings. So this is the basic data type. Some other data types are already we've seen in previous point. So tuple, dictionary, list, and also set. These are all the another one most important data types in a Python. But the basic data type is a number and then string. Number means integer, floating point numbers. Numbers means the whole integer, and the number pointing numbers, and also the complex number, real part and then imaginary part we have mentioned in a complex numbers. So the complex number is under one of the part of Python number category, and also string. So the characters and then string both are declared, both are represented as a string data type. Single quotes or double quotes may be represented by using string, but multi-line strings can be represented by using the triple quotes. So this is a data type representation. Next one is Python numbers. we see in the Python numbers, take the new so this is a number. Python numbers. So from this slide, so a equal to 6. So a is a type of integer. 7.0 means it is a float. 2 plus 4j, this is a complex number. So is instance of 2 plus 4j. 2 is a real number and 4 is the imaginary part. A equal to 34, it is an integer. B equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, this is also an integer. So this will be returned by using the Python IDLE. Some of the functions are not working in my system because the system have some of the keys are not working. So I have opened in a new window. So this is another one. So first you have to check a equal to 6 and also print off type of a. So what will be the result? This is an integer. Next one is a equal to 7.5. A equal to 7.5. Print off type of a. So this is a float. A equal to 2 plus 4j. So this is a complex data type. Complex data type because it has having a real part and then imaginary part. Type of A. So this is a complex data type. Next one is A equal to some of the long numbers. So now we check what is the data type of A. So this is also the integer because it is not having a pointing numbers. So it is also considered as a long integer or integer. That is the meaning of Python number data type. Next one is Python numbers. Second point is real part and then imaginary part. How to display the real part and then imaginary part. For example, A equal to 4 plus 7j. So this is a declaration of complex number. So what is the type of A? This is a complex data type. Next one is print of A dot real. So 4.0 is the real part. Next one is how to print the imaginary part. So this is the imaginary part. So how to separate the real part and the imaginary part by using the variable name dot real. This is also to print the value of real part. Type of print of a type of A dot real. So this is also a float because 4.0 this is a floating numbers. Print of type of A dot imaginary. So this is also a floating point numbers because 4.0 and 7.0 is considered as a float. So this is a number data type. Next one is this is also a check whether the given number is real part or imaginary part or floating point number. So this is a function of finding the data types. Next class we have seen this Python strings and Python string and string handling function. This is also the very important concept in Python. So next class we will see the next topic. Thank you.